seal has been working, and there's just a tiny bit of detritus, but it's not metal, it's like it feels squishy. And there's like a tiny bit of sludge, but that's to be expected for 50 years of sitting there.
Oh, that's cool.
So that's money, that's right on the money. Number 4 cylinder exhaust, number 3 cylinder exhaust. That should be a loose 3 as well.
Yep.
Loose?
Loose.
Good. Okay, so that's 4 done. So we just did cylinder number 4, top dead center. And then we'll rotate the engine 360 and do the other 4 valve tappet adjustments. Okay, bro, fill it up with oil.
Fill the bike before we start it.
Fill oil.
Don't want none of that nonsense. Number 1. Right in the middle, 275. Number 2, same spot. Number 3. Number 4. That's a vacuum sink right there. That's what it sounds like. Oh yeah.
Smooth idle.
So nice. Right return.
Give it a little gas.